just wanted to do a little bit of a review on some of the worm farms I have. So I have about 6, and there are a few different ones. So I just wanted to show you this one. Okay, this one is rectangular. It's really good, and I just harvested a tray there from that one, and from my other round one I harvested a tray as well of worm castings. But overall it's very strong. The trays work well. The worms, see, you've got the little holes there where the worms travel up, and I think the only thing I would have to say is that the tap gets blocked, and you don't really need the tap. Only if like it rains and you get water in there, will water ever come out of that tap. You don't get a lot of leachate, because you're not supposed to have too much moisture in there. You should never run your hose through. Yeah, okay, so that's the rectangular one. I'm not going to name brands, and you know, that's not what this is about. Just things to look out for. And then I've got my round worm farm here, and this one is great as well. And the only thing here with this is the legs. Okay, you can see my surface isn't too flat, it's not too sloped or anything like that, but it isn't totally even. Okay, so the legs do tend to buckle, and especially when it gets hot. That would be the only thing I would have to say about my circular worm farm. It's the legs, because I have another one here and I've had to actually prop it up with some bricks there just to try and keep it stable, because the legs don't hold up too well. But otherwise I really like the circular one. That has to be one of my favourites if I had to choose. And then I have another one way out the back here, and this one, okay, I mean, you can see straight away that it does not close properly. The legs are great though. The legs are great, and another feature that I don't like is that there is a tap underneath, right in the middle there. So it's quite difficult to get to, but not that you need it. Once again, you don't really need the tap. Okay, so it has some air holes there, quite a lot, which is good as well. I mean, they all have air holes. You know, and the worms don't mind if there's a few gaps there. But yeah, that would be the only thing, is that, you know, you can't really close it well. But otherwise, that one's okay. They all do their job.